Hi everyone, this is test 9 in the book. So section 3. Okay, so we're gonna finish all these questions today. Okay, number 1, k minus 5 absolute value, okay, less than or equals to 8. In this case, you can put this number into the equation, right? 8 minus 5, yeah, less than 8. 2 minus 5 is negative 3, absolute, okay. Negative 3 is 3, right? That is less than 8. That is true. Negative 3 is 1. Negative 3 minus 8. That is 8. Yeah, that is equals. But this is not working, right? Negative 4 minus 5 is 1. That is 9 is not less than 8. Or you can solve this one directly quickly, okay? This is between two numbers. One is positive, the other is negative. Plus 5 both sides. This one should be 13. And what is that? Plus 5, negative 3, right? So 8 is what belongs to here, 2 is here, negative 3 here, negative 4 outside. Okay, you can solve this. Here is number 2. We have a point Q, x coordinate is k, y coordinate this is 8, or the other side is 8. Because this is rectangle, okay? So length of PR, where is PR? Okay, diagonal, that is 17. So what is the value of k? K equals what? 8, 17, that is 15, right? Right triangle triplet, 8, 15, 17. Memorize this one. Or you can use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, 17 squared is 289, and minus 8 squared is 64. That is equals to k, isn't it? That is 225 equals to k equals to 15. You can solve this using Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so choice B is the answer, okay? Here is number 3. Okay, the area of triangle RST. This is RST. Is 30, okay? So what is the value of k, okay? The value of k must be positive, right? Okay. This one is 3k, that is the base. This is the height, always perpendicular, right, to the extended base. So this is a 5k. So there, if this one is 3k times 5k, I'm going to write down. And divided by 2, that is equals to 30. Okay. So 15k squared equal to 30 is equals to 60. K squared equals 4, and the k is what? Plus minus 4, plus minus 2, but k must be positive, right? 2 is the answer. Right here is number 4, cosine A equals sine B. If this is true, angle A plus B is always 90. So angle C is always 90. This is a right triangle, okay? So B is pi over 3. This is pi over 3 is about 60 degree. This is 30 degree in degree mode, okay? So what is the area of this triangle? Okay, so AB is this hypotenuse now. That is 20. This is at 60 degree. Adjacent of this side is half of this one, 10. The other one is what? 10 times square root 3, okay? So the area of this one is 10 times 10 square root 3. This is leg times leg. They are perpendicular, okay? And divided by 2 is the area. It's okay? So 50 red 3 is the answer. All right, number 5. F of x equals x minus b in the functions p is a constant and f of 2 is 5. Anyway, you're going to find the value of p, right? To put the number up there. 2 minus b equals to 5. P equals how much? Negative 3. So what is this one? 2p, negative 6. So f of negative 6. This already negative 3, that is what? Plus 3, right? So f of x is exactly what? X plus 3. So what is the value of y when x is a negative 6? Negative 6 plus 3 is what? Negative 3, okay? That's the answer. Choice A. Number 6. What is the value of a minus b? You know that some of our triangle, or some of the angles inside the triangle are already 180, right? These two angles equal. The other two angles. Sum of these two angles must be equal to sum of the other two angles. A plus 50 equals B plus 28. That's right. Okay, because these two angles are congruent. Okay, so from here we can find A minus B equals what? Negative 22, isn't it? So absolute value. It's a positive, okay? 22 is the answer. So we have a scatter plot. The reading labor, okay? Reading labor by the grade of 15 students. Based on that above, what is the median reading labor level for those 15 students? Maybe you can try. Median labor is what? 5 grade, 1, okay? 2, 2. We're gonna median rate 1 because we're gonna rearrange, okay? So there is a reading level, okay, for 15. But the lowest median level is 1, the other one is 2 over here, right? 1 is 5th grade, the other one is 6th grade, 2 over here. 3 is another 2 over here. 4 is a 2 here. 5 is a 3. 6 is a 2. 7 is 2 again. 8 is only 1 over here, okay? It's gonna be 10th grade student. I'm sorry, this is 6, 7, 8. That's right, okay? Wow. That's better, okay? So who is in the middle? 1 plus 15 and divided by 2, 8 student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. These guys. Okay? Or you can cross-write the point of it from the bottom, the level of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1. Oops. Top out of here, right? 1, 1. And this one, okay? Yeah, still 5 is the answer. What is the average reading level of 7th and 8th grade? You are talking about 7th and 8th grade. 7th grade over here, 8th grade over here. 7th grade the reading level is 4, one is 4, the other is 5, the other is 6. But 8th grade is 3 and 5 and 7th grade. A 7th level, okay? 7th level. Level 7, okay? So what is the average of this one? There is 6 students. The total is how much? This one is 15. This one is another 15. Total reading level is 30. But we have for 6 students, right? Still 5 is the right average, okay? Now this is median, okay? They're asking you median, okay? But still median, okay? Okay, over here. So 4, that's not the average. So we have this one. 3 is the first one, okay? That's number 8, question number 8. 3 and the 4 is 1 student, 5 is 2 students, 6 is 1 student, 7 is 1 student, right? So who is in the middle of here? 1, 2, 1, 2, still 5, okay? Yeah, median, not. Oh, this is average, okay? Oh, average, we did already, okay? Average is here, okay? I thought median. So still 5 is correct. Here is number 9. X is less than 4, only 4 here. That's the domain. Some value of x, the value of y is 3. Where is the value of x? Y equals 3 is over here. This is 3, right? So how many value of x here? 1 and 2, okay? Choice B is the answer. Here is number 10. P equals 50n minus 200 over n and another one plus k. But we're going to express what? N in terms of other variables. So we have many n's over here, right? So we times n both sides. So p times n, 50n minus 200 n plus k times n again. You have energy over here, energy over here, energy over here, right? You're going to move right the same side. So this is negative 200, move the other one, positive 200. That is better, right? Because this is always a positive 200. This move to the left, 50n plus kn minus pn. Energy over here, okay? So combined, 50 plus k minus p to the n. That is equals to 200. So what is the value of n? You can divide this number over there, okay? 200 over 50 plus k minus p. Okay, choice C is the answer. Number 11, p of x equals 3x cubed plus ax minus 2. When you divide x minus plus 1, that is remainder is 2. So we better use the remainder here, okay? Put this number, x equals negative 1, that is the remainder. Put this number negative 1 there. 3 times negative 1, I'm going to write down. 8 times negative 1 minus 2, that is the remainder equal. Okay, this is remainder here. But this is how much? Negative 3, negative a minus 2 equals 2. Okay, a to the right, that is a. Okay, 2 is moved to the left, that is negative 2. Total is negative 3, negative 2, another negative 2 is negative 7 is the answer. Okay, choice A. Here is number 12. So we have the graph over here. Slope is negative, y-intercept is positive, x-intercept is positive. So express this one slope and in y-intercept form, that is better. So by equals to negative ax plus 5. Y equals negative a plus b x n plus 5 over b. Check out this is first, because this term has only one variable. This is a positive exponent, positive y-intercept. This is positive, so b must be positive, okay? B must be positive here. B is positive. What about A? This slope is what? Negative, isn't it? To have a negative number, A should be positive again, okay? Choice D is the answer. The total is what? Total sign is negative, okay? Number 13. We have a center of circle, okay, shaded region there. This area is what, 80 pi, not the other side, okay? And x is 2 pi over 5. This angle is 2 pi over 5. What about the other side angles? 2 pi minus 2 pi over 5, all right? And that is what, 8 pi over 5, isn't it? This one is 8 pi over 5. Okay, you know the formula, right? Okay, to express the area in terms of radian. Okay, length of arc is what? R times radius theta. Area is what? 1 over 2 r squared times theta, right? You understand this formula. So this area equals to 80 pi. 80 pi equals to 1 over 2 r squared. R is we don't know. We're gonna find out. Angle is this angle, right? Not this one. This is the angle for the what shaded region. So 8 pi over 5, isn't it? So simplify this one. This is 2. This is 4. Right hand side is 4r squared over 5 pi. That is 80 pi, okay? So pi is cancelled out. You multiply 5, that is 400 equals to 4r squared. R squared is 100, right? So square root r, okay? So r equals what? 10 is the answer, okay? That's the radius of the circle. All right, here is number 14. So we have two lines, they are perpendicular, okay? So we're gonna find the area of triangle RSD. This is the triangle RSD. The slope of line L, this line L is 1. Okay, so to find this, the area of this triangle, we need to find that this is the base, right? This is the height. Height is 3, no, height is 1, right? This is 3. From here to that is 1. So this side equals to 1. That's the height. Now still we need the base over here. To get the y base, the length of base, we need to get right some to a y-intercept. What's the equation of this line? Y slope is 1, so x plus b. Put this number 3 and 1 in the equation, okay? When y equals 3, x is 1 plus b. So b equals 2, isn't it? This is the y-intercept. This is the 2 over here. What about this one? Slope is negative reciprocal, negative 1, also pass through to 1, 3. So y equals negative x plus b. Put this number 1, 3 one more times. Negative 1 plus b. From here, b equals 4, right? That is the y-intercept, this one, 4. What is the length this side? 4 minus 2 is 2. So the area of this one, base times height and divided by 2 is 1, right? That's the area of that triangle. Number 15, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Maybe this one is what? When you take a look, okay, anyway, we're going to use a long division or synthetic, it doesn't matter, okay? I'm going to use the long division. X squared plus 3 over x minus 1. X is x squared minus x. When you subtract minus minus x, positive x plus 3. And plus 1 is what? X minus 1 minus remainder is 4, right? So this is a quotient x plus 1. But we're going to keep the right divisor over here. This is, we said, qx plus r x over dx form, okay? So rx is 4, but dx is still x minus 1. We're going to keep the right x minus 1, okay, in denominator, okay? So choice 4, or choice C is the answer, okay? The quotient is x plus 1. Here is number 6. What is the value of x minus 1? Maybe you can solve this one if you can find x minus 1 in the equations. This is x minus 1. This is also a 2x minus 1. You can let this is y, k equals x minus 1, okay? Okay, this is actually 1 over k plus 1 over 2k equals 1 over 4. Just find out the value of k. That is the value of x minus 1. So times 4x. Okay. Times k is out. This is 4. The other one is 2 equals what? 4 over k. This is the out. One is the k. So k equals 6 is the answer, okay? The number is 17. So the length of AC is 10, height is 20. This is 20, right? So the area of this triangle is what? 10 times 20 divided by 2 equals 100. That's the area of this triangle ABC. And man, they are midpoint. Okay, so midpoint. This is midpoint. This is what? Large. Midpoint, but this side, the other corresponding side is what? 1 to 2, right? Okay, so what is the ratio of the area? 1 square to 2 square. That is 1. If this is 1, this is what? 4, but with the k, right? 4k equals 25. So k equals to, 4k equals 100. K equals to 25, okay? What is this area in terms of k? 4k minus k equals 3k, right? Or this is, you know, that 25. The other one is 100. 100 minus 25 was 75, okay? That's the area of this red region. This is number 18. The equation is true. So this graph, the other graph coincide. Okay, exactly same expressions. So you can see that this is x squared x constant, x squared x constant. Okay, so a minus 1 should be equals to 4, b minus 2 equals to 5, and constant equals to k. From here, a equals to 5. From here, b equals to 7. What is the value of k? 5 times 7, right? Equals to 35 is the answer, okay? That's the answer. Okay, number 19. P of x is x minus 5 3x. What is the minimum value of p there? Okay, this value of p. This is always positive, you know that. Because from here, we can see that x must be greater than or equals to 5, right? If x is what? Less than 5, that is undefined, that is the imaginary number. This is positive for this value over here. But to have a minimum, this one should be 0, okay? All right. This already by minimum is 15, right? Okay. So to get the minimum, that is 15. Also to get the minimum, x is 5. So this is 0. 3 times 5 equals what? 15 is this, okay? When you make a graph over here. 2x minus 5 is starting point over here, 5. That's the graph. 3x graph, it looks like this. When you add this one, from here, you can start. Because this is nothing, right? Because x should be greater than or equals to 5 to the right-hand side. The graph of this one looks like this is minimum over here. This you can add this one. When you add this one, looks like this. Okay? This one is minimum, okay? Number 20, x squared minus y squared is 8. Y equals square root 2x. What is the value of y? Okay, after you find the value of x, find the value of y. That's okay too, because y is expressed the square root 2x already. So y squared equals how much? So we can say x squared plus y squared is 2x. Yeah? But you know that x should be positive, right? If x is negative, it's undefined. So also y is positive, you know that. So that is equals to 8 minus 8 equals 0. From here, we can find the value of x. X plus 4, x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals what? Negative 4, x equals 2. But negative 4 undefined, not working. X is 2. But we need to find the value of y over here, okay? So y equals what? Square root 2 times x is 2. That is square root 4 equals to 2, okay? That's the answer. Okay, this is section 3, okay? So I'll see you in next video, okay?